Hello everybody. This is a video on how I fixed my Pokemon Black 2, which is currently in this DS here. So if I turn it on, it does see the game, it does launch the game, but this is all it says. I have pretty much tried everything apart from replacing the flash chip. I have reflowed the pins, I have cleaned the pins, I have reflowed every chip on this. Still nothing. So what I found online is that there's this really cheap game called America's Test Kitchen that supposedly uses the same flash memory chip. So we're going to open this up and find out if that's true. I bought this copy literally still shrink wrapped, brand new, for $5 on eBay, I think. With shipping, it might have been a little bit more than that, but it was very cheap. So I just got to get it open here, which I can usually do with my fingers, but this being a brand new cartridge, it might be a little harder. Just got to get my nail in there. There it starts to go. Come on. There it goes. And there it is. The same chip. That one as this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first heat up our copy of Black 2 and get that chip off. And then we will get the chip off the donor one and put it on there and see if that fixes it. Sorry, my fan's being loud. There, it's off. Now we're going to get it off of America's Test Kitchen. Okay. Clean up those legs there. Solder. Take a look at that under the microscope real fast. Looks pretty good. We got pin 1 where it should be, right? Yes, we do. Okay. Throw this back into Black 2. And see if anything is different. There it is. And that is how you fix a copy of Black 2 that will not get past the blue screen. Thanks for watching.